Good morning and welcome to Kigali Airport. We're about to fly from Kigali in Rwanda to Zanzibar, the Tanzanian island off the coast of East Africa. And what's really interesting is that potentially I might be flying on a turboprop plane. It's a Bombardier plane, if I'm not mistaken, with propellers. But there is a chance it will be a regular like 737. The other thing that's worth noting is that I left my visa application process to the very last minute. Normally they say it can take up to 10 business days. I left it like 3 business days in advance. As of right now, my visa still hasn't been approved, so it's going to be very interesting when I arrive at Zanzibar Airport whether they'll let me through. I'm hoping that just by showing my confirmation email and the fact that it's being processed should be enough, but let's see. I'm in the lounge right now. It's called the Dream Lounge. It's pretty basic and small, but I'll put on my little head cam and I'll go for a little stroll and see what kind of food and drinks we have and show the seating area, etc. Okay, so I'm sat over here. There's like a little working desk area with a nice little seating area there. And this is kind of the catering section. So let's see if it's even, I need to start this way. Let's see if it's vegan friendly or not. I have no idea, so we will soon find out. Actually, we've changed position to over here. We've got some nice couches in a slightly more cozy location. So let's have some food and we'll check in a moment. Okay, so my luggage is going in the hold. They better not lose it, but it's a small plane, so muraho. So we're going to be on the turboprop, but let's grab a seat.
Please store your baggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment.
Okay.
Ensure emergency exits are free from any carry-on bags.
It's going to be very noisy on this plane, so you can't really hear me probably. How are you? Woo! Welcome to Zanzibar. We have made it. It's 29 degrees. It's a beautiful sunny day. And I'm gonna go catch a ride to the north of the island, and that will be the start of the next video. Bye-bye. Well, one of the downsides of getting off the plane first, having all my documentation, visa, mandatory insurance for Zanzibar, etc. all organized, because although I did it really last minute, I did it at the end of the day, and a lot of people not only leave it to the last minute but actually don't even know they have to do it. And so now there are some long queues of people filling in visa forms and trying to organize last minute insurance, etc. Anyway, the downside of all this is that now I'm stood by the luggage conveyor belts and none of the bags have come through because I was literally on the plane like 1 minute ago. Now normally I travel really light and I never check my luggage in, and this trip was meant to be the same, but they made me check in my bag because the plane was so small there was no room, hence why I'm here. So hopefully my bag is one of the first to come out and then I can be out of here.